Hello friends, I am Ankit. In this video tutorial, I will explain you the concept of static variables and how static variables are used in PHP.
So let's now understand the concept of static variables and how static variables are declared in PHP. So static variables are initialized only once. So let me write it on screen. So this is the thing you have to keep in mind for static variables. They are initialized only once. So what do I mean by this? Let's see an example. So I am taking one function to demonstrate the use of static variables. Why I am taking function? Because static variables are typically used in any user defined function or in any local block or static block. So that's why I am defining static variable inside function. So to declare a function keyword is used. So here I have taken a function named static demo. Inside that I am declaring one variable, assigning it to value 1. Then I am showing the value of this variable, and then I am incrementing it by 1. So only 3 lines are there inside my function. First I declared a variable, then displayed its value, and then incremented it by 1. And now I am calling this function, and now I am calling this function not once but thrice. Okay, so as you can infer that function will be called 3 times. So every time this variable will be initialized by 1, every time it will show the value 1, and every time when it increments the value of number variable, but it will be overwritten by second call of the function. So again when the function is called second time, then number will be again initialized by 1. So the previous value of number variable, which was 2, will be overwritten. Let's check this thing into the output. So here you can see 1 is being shown 3 times. How can I change the behavior of this how can I change this behavior so that the value of number variable should not be overwritten? Number variable should preserve its value. So the solution is to declare this number variable as static. So how can we declare any variable as static? Simply we have to write static keyword before assigning a value to it. So now number variable is a static variable, and as I said, static variable is initialized only once. So it will be initialized by value 1 at the time of first call of this function static demo. Then the value will be displayed and value will be incremented, so it will become 2. Then at the time of second call of this function, this statement won't be executed, or in other way we can say that number variable will not be reinitialized. It will preserve its previous value, that is 2. It will show the output as 2, and then it will be incremented by 1 again, and it will become 3. And again at the time of uh, call of this function third time, it will again go into the function. Again it will not be reinitialized by 1, will show its value, and then again will be incremented to 4. But we are calling this function only 3 times, so that 4 won't be displayed, but we should get the output 1 2 3, just because we have declared number variable as static. So here we can see that 1 2 3 is being shown, and thus we can say number variable preserves its value and initialized only once. So this is how static variable works, and I hope that you have got the concept of static variable.
Hope you liked the video. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy. Goodbye.